Hello guys, we have a new set of headphones from Urbanista. It's a Swedish company and the name is Miami. They are over-ear headphones, noise cancelling, active noise cancelling, compatible with iOS devices, Android, 50 hours of battery, Bluetooth 5, and this is the box, this greenish blue box, because these headphones are coming in four colors, four finish: black, white, red, and this greenish blue finish. So the specs are here if for the ones they like to know. Bluetooth 5, iOS and Android, on-ear detection. The good thing here is the noise cancelling. So this is the beautiful box. You see here says Miami in a beautiful characters. So here are the details from all the buttons, because these headphones they have buttons, control buttons, volume and track buttons, auxiliary connection, USB Type-C, battery status, and feature button. This is the quick start guide, Miami Urbanista. And then we have another paper which is the warranty of these headphones. So we're gonna check them inside this hard case that they are coming with. And we unzip the case, and inside probably they are hiding, not probably, exactly, they are hiding the Urbanista Miami headphones in this greenish blue beautiful color. On this box there are the adapters probably and the cables. So we have USB Type-C of course, which is a must these days, and the analog cable in order to drive them analog. I mean, this is for the airplanes, you know. How useful is this? If the airplane provides music, we can connect our headphones to this plug like this here, and then we plug the other terminal to our headphones right here. So here are the headphones, Urbanista, beautiful metallic, like metallic finish, even though this is a memory foam, very comfortable. Look the finish, they are very beautiful. Plastic here. You can adjust the headphones like this on your head, both sides. Inside we see L for left and right for the right channel. Probably there we can see probably a microphone or some sensor, probably the sensor, because these noise cancelling headphones they have of course microphones, not only for calls but for the noise cancellation system. Probably this is a mic there. This is the analog input. We have an indicator there and Type-C. As you can see here, already my smartphone discovered the Miami, which is Bluetooth SBC or AAC for the iPhone users. Since there is no app for to control the headphones, there is this control button that does everything about to turn on the noise cancellation, to power off or on, to play, to pause, to answer calls. So everything you are doing with this button here, feature button, ambient sound mode, default mode, or active noise cancellation, which is just one mode. There is no levels to control, I mean to set noise cancelling 50% or 5 steps or 10 steps as other headphones they have, but this is very well designed, because you don't have the need to open an app and to lost yourself inside the different options. This is just pressing the button, that's it. These headphones are very nice and they look good on you. They're comfortable and they are beautifully and very well. They're making a bold statement. And then there is the option with the cable. So you're using the cable, and there, if you don't have battery or whatever, and you have music, you never lose, you know, your music or your headphones. On the cable there is even a control button here. So if you have a good DAC or a headphone amplifier, a portable headphone amplifier, you can play nice by using this way of connection, which is better than Bluetooth. The wire is better. What I have discovered now by accident, you know this famous hip DAC from Hi-Fi Audio, which is the same color as the Urbanista Miami. So if you have these two devices, I mean the headphones and the portable mobile DAC which has batteries inside, and you use this cable, this one goes to the, forget Bluetooth and all these codecs, and this one goes there, you see, and the other goes here. You are ready, and then you do the connection with your headphone, with your smartphone, like this. So if you have this system, the music will be fantastic because the wire is much better than Bluetooth. And if you are using external headphone amplifier, the quality is multiplying silently. And the funny thing, or the beautiful thing, is these two devices are matching in terms of color and in terms of sound. So if you get a smartphone with this finish too, then you are done.
Ambience off. ANC on. Ambience on. Ambience off. Ambience off. ANC on. Ambience on. Ambience off. ANC on. Ambience on. Power off. Power on. Connecting.
Thanks for watching.